Billy to get us something?
Yeah. He's got a contact at the jail. Probably get us any info we want.
You talk to Pope?
No, he's still in lockdown.
Gotta get him on board, man.
Pope will get on board when the time comes, okay?
Can Billy's guy get us details on prisoner transport?
Yeah, probably. What about the money?
Yeah, no shit. How much you getting after we sell all this stuff?
Well, Baz's place is listed. Deran's gonna close in a week. We've got the bar, the gym, the bowling alley. We liquidate all of the money and...
All right, so how much?
5.4 million total. So between four of us, that's 1.3 million each.
Damn.
How do we access it?
We use the passports Craig got us to set up bank accounts. Give me the details. I'll send you the money on the day that we break out Pope. You're gonna need to set up new accounts for wherever you go. But we can't transfer any money before the day of. It would attract attention otherwise.
And what about Pope?
Pope will come with me. Just until he gets on his feet, figures out where he wants to go. You could put his share into my account.
Yeah, that's cool with me.
So, that's it. We snatch Pope and then we run. What?
It's a lot of work you've done. Selling all Smirt's properties, setting up the businesses, you know. You've been playing the long game, haven't you? I'm sure you just want to cut and run.
It's for Pope, right? It's like you said. He would do the same for us.
Yeah. It's for Pope.